Hello guys, right, long morning this morning, 5am, well 3am wake up, 5am was my first trade, AJ short, based on the currency strength indicator, which I don't have on this chart because it's a indices. But whilst this I apologise for all the lines and the descending trend lines, whilst this may look really massively complicated, it was one of the most simplest and logical decisions to take this trade of all my trades of late. And you know, it's an important reminder, leveler, that trading is about being logical. You know, don't worry about all the levels here, although they are being respected, as you can see even now. You know, the H4 lines were drawn on there ages ago. H4 support gets touched, pulled back to test, and this has happened while I've been making this video. This is a second retake, as it were, because I kept had a coughing fit, but got interrupted. But look, you know, it's coming. It's broken an H4. It's bounced off an H1. Sorry, it's testing and retesting. That's what price does. But the simplest thing about this chart, and the point of making this video, is keep it logical. I can't possibly consider going long when you've got all these descending trend lines. You know, in other words, we've got a massive downtrend. We've got the RSI telling us categorically there is no momentum to the long side. We've not even broken the 20 once, yet the 20 minus 20 level is being broken continually. And prior to my entry, the M15 on the histo, the pattern I keep on about, that's the alarm for Billy breakout, the bust out, pull back, break and close, and that had happened on the 15-minute bar prior to the hourly bar opening at 8am. So the momentum was to the downside. We could have had a pullback, and that is always a risk after a break and bust, or break and close, should I say, a break of some sort of support. But it's all calculated. It should be calculated in your trade size. So this was a calculated risk. I like the look of the 5 minute as well. You know, we've got a close. There's the uptrend, low, high, high, low, high, high. Here's the downtrend, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, and close there. But I didn't want to enter before 8 o'clock. I waited till 8 o'clock bar opened. I waited till that 15-minute bar closed. I had to, because if I didn't wait for that 15 to close with that low, how could I possibly have known it could have turned green? And then, as you can see, price collapse. My trade was 18 pips. Price has gone down 100 pips or more in minutes. So, you know, once again, I talk about the exhaustion situation. Price is being exhausted. The buyers are being sucked out of the market. There could be, you know, of course, the institutions are what drive price. They could easily have decided to try and push the price up one last time before crashing it. You have to build that into your assessment for your trade. But, you know, trade what you see on the charts, guys, not what you think. I say that all the time. So that was a trade that took all of 3 minutes, or not even 2 minutes, I don't think. Yeah, 2 minutes, and it was all over. So timing is everything. Logical thinking is everything. Draw your lines on the charts. I do the lines on the charts to get into the zone. If I'm confused, tired, sick, hungover, whatever, spend 10 minutes drawing the lines on the charts, maybe a few descending, ascending trend lines, and get yourself in the zone. And then apply logic to your trading too. And I implore you to study. You know, you've got it on your charts. It's there every morning. You can just look at the hourly and say, right, oh yeah, when it did that, it went down. When it did that, it went down. Or vice versa. When it's above the zero line, when it does that, it goes up. You know, it's there for you to use as a crutch or stabilizer wheels or whatever you want to call them, whilst you are in your trading, getting into the zone. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great Thursday, I think it is today. Green pips, guys.